Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. Dev Jha, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, India. Today in short I am going to describe you what is ILD in children. ILD is interstitial lung disease. It is rare but it can be seen everywhere. So ILD is diagnosed rarely in children because it is suspected rarely in children. So it starts from day one of life. So if there is a full term infant with unexplained respiratory distress, we should suspect ILD. So there are forms of ILD which presents in neonatal period in infancy. We broadly divide it into two groups, presenting before 2 years of age and presenting between 2 to 18 years of age. So there is a variety of ILD like surfactant protein B deficiency, surfactant protein C deficiency, and ABCA3 deficiency. So surfactant protein B and ABCA mutations presents in neonatal period, and it will present within minutes to hours of birth. There is a variety genetic variation of ABCA3 mutation which may present later, like SFC surfactant protein C mutations which present later in infancy and even in childhood, maybe in adult also. So this is a variety. Other varieties of infantile form of ILD are pulmonary interstitial glycosinosis which presents later in infancy, and knee-high neuroendocrine cell hyperplasia of infancy which presents in late neonatal period. So these are the ILD. Some ILD presents later in childhood after 2 years of age, and they may be associated with some systemic disorders like juvenile idiopathic arthritis, systemic sclerosis, and dermatomyositis. So these may be associated with this disease, and it may be seen in normal hosts also due to some infections and leading to ILD. And there is one ILD, that is COPA mutation, which presents with arthritis and pulmonary hemorrhage. There are other forms of ILD like sarcoidosis, Langerhans cell histiocytosis. So these all are the form of ILD. So there is a paradigm shift in the diagnosis of ILD in last few years. We are shifting for diagnosis from lung biopsy to genetic testing, which is available nowadays at various centers including in Delhi. So rarely we require lung biopsy for the diagnosis of children suffering from ILD after 2 years of age. In neonatal form or infantile form we may require biopsy. So if the child is suffering from cough repeatedly, wheeze, breathlessness, faltering on growth, then suspect ILD. All children having this cough, wheeze, breathlessness are not asthmatic children. Some may be ILD. So we should suspect ILD, and simply one thing we can do, that is 6 minutes walk test. If we just measure the SpO2, see the SpO2, and ask the child for 6 minute walk, and if the child becomes dyspneic early and child cannot complete the expected distance, or there is fall of 4% SpO2 after 6 minute walk, suspect ILD. So ILD should be suspected, then only you can diagnose ILD in children, because if you will not suspect and diagnose timely, there will be grave consequences. For more detailed knowledge of ILD in children, you may join fellowship program under Respiratory Foundation of India, fellowship in pediatric pulmonology and bronchoscopy. Thanks. Be aware. Take care.